Hi everybody, it's Miss Hutchinson. One of my favorite things about science is that science is all around us, whether we know it or not. So the first thing you need to know about being a scientist is whether something is living or non-living. And there are examples of that everywhere. First, I have an example of a living thing. It's my good friend Wally, okay? And Wally is living. Here's how I know it. Wally grows. He used to be a puppy. Wally needs nutrients. He eats dog food. Here's his empty dog bowl. And Wally could reproduce. He could help make a baby or a puppy dog. Now here's something else that is living that maybe you didn't know was living. I have these marigold flowers. This flower grows. It needs nutrients, which it gets from the soil, and it reproduces. It could make seeds, which can then grow into a new plant. So it makes baby plants. I also have this tomato plant that is growing. See those little tomatoes growing? Okay, it's a living thing. It grows. Okay, it used to be a seed, and look, this tomato will get bigger and bigger like we see at the grocery store. So it grows, it needs nutrients, and it reproduces. That's how I know that it's living. Now, there are some things out here that are not living. We saw an example of a rock. Okay, I got some rocks down here. Here's my rocks. Rocks do not grow. They don't get bigger. They do not need nutrients. I don't have to feed or water my rock. And they don't reproduce. They can't make baby rocks. Some other things that I have out here is, oh, you can see over here, I've got a lawnmower. Okay. Now a lawnmower, it moves. So if I drive it and it moves, does that mean it's living? No. Just because something moves does not mean that it's living. We have to think, okay, can the lawnmower grow? No, it doesn't get bigger. Can the lawnmower need nutrients? Do I have to feed and water my lawnmower? Nah. Does it reproduce? No, there are no baby lawnmowers out here. So that's how we tell if something is living or non-living. We have to give it the living or non-living test. I know this is something you've probably seen before. A field full of cows. We live around a lot of them. So let's use the living thing test to find out if these cows are living or non-living. All right, you think about it. What do living things do? Living things grow. Living things need nutrients, and living things reproduce. Do cows get bigger? Yes. Do cows need nutrients, food and water? Yeah. Do cows make babies? Yes, we can see. Now let's do the living thing test on that pond. See the pond back there, that water? Let's do it. Does water grow? Does water need nutrients? Does water reproduce? All of those things are no, it doesn't. So water is non-living. I don't know about you, but I've never seen water get taller. And I've never seen water have to get food from the dirt or nutrients, or I've never had to water water. And last, I've never seen water have a baby.